Hey guys, this is Aditya and I'm back with my second video of this channel. So today we'll discuss about social engineering hack. Now, social engineering is an art of human exploitation. That means manipulating a human and taking out the sensitive information. Exploiting the human itself to get sensitive information. Social engineering play a very big role in the hacking. If a hacker is good at social engineering, hacking is a thing, a thing which is not a big deal for him. An attacker manipulates the user in order to get sensitive information using social engineering. Social engineering may be human based or tool based. Both kind of social engineering plays an important role. If an attacker is able to manipulate the customer services or receptionist of a company, he can get some sort of sensitive information from there. Hence, social engineering is a vast field by which simply manipulate a target, an attacker can compromise and gain much of sensitive information to perform further hack. Social engineering can be performed online or live in persons. Nowadays, fake emails, fake mobile calls and messages, there are a lot of things are used to get the information from the target. For example, an attacker calls you and says, hello, I'm from this company and you have won this kind of rupees in our lottery and many other manipulating things. They ask for personal information in order to avail this money. Now, at last, sometimes they gave you a number to call and avail your lottery amount. During this, they already have performed social engineering attack and gained your personal information. Many times people get emails and messages as well. There are many scammers who try to tug a person to get benefited. Hence, it is advised to beware before acting to a particular thing. A human is the weakest part of any company. A human is the weakest part of any security. And human's mind can be easily you can manipulate. Exploiting the human by manipulating can give tons of sensitive information and sometimes even access to the network of any company. So there is no solution to fix the level of human manipulation. Hence, a human is always vulnerable to social engineering and hence the whole corporate network is vulnerable. Simple manipulating a person can provide huge information disclosure. The person may be directly or indirectly related to the company, maybe the peon or clerk or maybe an officer at the higher post. Now, social engineering techniques can be based on many things. For example, first the human-based social engineering techniques like a phone call, a message, a dumpster diving. You know what dumpster diving is? That is looking for sensitive information in garbage or dumps is known as dumpster diving. Sometimes attacker may find a piece of paper or some important document from which sensitive information can be retrieved. Then you can say about something like shoulder surfing. You know what shoulder surfing is? Let me tell you. Looking at the soldier or guessing the password by viewing a person typing or indirectly seeking into his hand movement to get the password. Sometimes it provides quite sensitive information. One more phase in the human-based social engineering technique is eavesdropping. An attacker can look for the information without the permission and knowledge of the target. Now, eavesdropping might be happen when someone is doing some sort of transaction or at any possible area where the information can be obtained by simply looking secretly. Attacker sometimes hears the verbal conversation of its target to gain some information. Now, there are computer-based social engineering attacks like those fake emails and then the ads on the pop-up screen and the phishing. The phishing is one of the oldest and most working techniques of social engineering. And phishing general attacker creates a fake web page, a fake login page which looks exactly same as the original page. Now once the page is made, the attacker targets the user and manipulates him to log in on that. And once user logins, his credentials are recorded into the attacker's database. There are many types of phishing attacks. The man in the middle attack, they like the cross-site scripting. Another is a URL redirection. Then site cloning, the keylogger or malware based, like those fake search engine client side attack, DNS redirection attack. Now, social engineering toolkit Now, it is one of the most powerful packages which contains tons of social engineering tools. Set comes pre-installed in it in this Linux. The set can be downloaded into any operating system too. The set is an open source framework which is freely available. Now, how to do site cloning using social engineering toolkit and how to perform this, I'll show you in the next video how to perform a real social engineering attack with the site cloning or mass mailer or and many other tools are there. I'll show you one by one every tool in the next video and will tell you how to prevent from social engineering. Let me tell you something about the prevention of social engineering in this video. Now, checking the URLs before visiting. Check the URL, the Uniform Research Locators, before visiting that. Okay, and proper training, and don't open attachment emails coming from unknown source. Try to keep your identity as much private as possible. Don't visit the links which are detected by the browser as harmful. And be aware of pop-ups and ads. Think twice before reacting. Think twice before clicking any links. Okay? Now in the next video, I'll tell you how to perform a social engineering hack by using toolkits. Then we'll see how to site clone using social engineering toolkit, how to mass mailing using social engineering toolkit. We'll see in the next video. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks a lot. Meet y'all in the next video with some practical hacking.